Today we will discuss some more questions on chapter functions. We have to calculate domain and range of these functions given. Uh, this is a polynomial function, so it is defined for x belongs to R. Its domain is R. And range, as we know that all the odd degree polynomials have range R, so its range would be also R. Second question, its domain is R and range, it is maximum it can be infinity this term and minimum it can be 1. So its range is 2 to infinite. Now for calculation of this domain you have to do solve this and its range would be this term is always positive or 0. Maximum it can be 1 or minimum it can be 0. So 1 to 0 to 1. This is range and domain is by solving this multiply by -1 you will get -1 plus mod x less than equal to 0 mod x less than equal to 1. So x belongs to -1 2. This is domain and this is range for C. And I've written for respective. We'll move to next. Next question is we have to draw the graph of mod y is equal to mod sine 2x mod something like this. Firstly, we will see this graph because it is bit easy. Sine squared x graph is nothing but like sine mod sine x only, but it is differentiable at n pi. Mod sin x graph is not differentiable at n pi, but sine squared x is differentiable at n pi. So graph would be something like this. It would be like this. We will extend this. Differentiation of sine squared x at this point is 0. But in the case of mod sin x, differentiability is not possible. It become like this. It has two different -1 and 1. Not -1 and 1, but it has dy by dx has two values. So it is not differentiable at that point for mod sin x. But for sin squared x, it is differentiable. So this is the graph of y is equal to sin squared x, but we have to draw mod y is equal to sin squared x. So what we do, we remove the portion below the x-axis. But as we can see, there is nothing below the x-axis, so we did not need to remove anything, and we will take the mirror image of this. So we will take mirror image. Mirror image of this would look something like this. So you can understand what I am trying to draw. This would be the graph of mod y is equal to sine squared x. Now I will do the third one, which is mod y is equal to x squared plus mod x plus 2. It can be written like this, mod y is equal to mod of x squared plus mod x plus 2. Firstly, we will draw the graph of x squared plus x plus 2. This graph, as we know that d is less than 0, and its minimum value will lie something minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a is minus half. So minus half is something here. So graph would be like this. And then we have to take the mod. So mod x transformation we know. We will remove the portion on the left of y-axis. So it would be removed and our graph will look something like this. Mirror image of this on this side. And then we have to take mod y. So we will remove the portion below the x-axis and take the mirror image. This would be the graph of the third one. and you must all try the first one as your homework. All the concept needed is covered in both the questions, second and third, which are required to solve the first one. So you can try. Now we will move on. This would be homework. It is very simple. And same question, this type of question I have also given to you in the last view. There I think also I have given it as